DoorDash. Kaka-deliver lang natin dito sa yung dati namin pinag-i-stay na hotel. Very familiar. Yan. Alam nyo, medyo nagagamay na natin tong DoorDash. Yung mga pinupuntahan natin, yung address, yung mga shortcut, yan. Minsan hindi na tayo sumusunod kay Google. May mga pinapasok na tayong mga street para mas mapabilis yung ano natin, yung papunta natin sa customer. Yun. Onting ano pa, onting experience pa. Yan, magagamay din natin to. Parang Pinas lang yan. Sa Pinas, makita ko pa lang yung street or yung address ni client. Matik na. Alam ko nang anuhin yung ruta ko. Yan. Dito, pag oras na pinakita ni DoorDash yung address ni client, medyo may idea na tayo. Tsaka may idea na rin ako paano yung magiging ruta ko para mapabilis. Yan. Minsan kasi, pag nagdi-deliver tayo, dadalin ka minsan ni Google pa, iikutin ka pa eh. Yan. Pero dahil minsan, alam na natin yung street na pinagdi-deliver natin, yan, sumusuway na tayo kay Google para mas mapabilis yung ano natin. Makakatipid na ako sa gas, makakatipid pa ako sa oras. Tsaka at the same time, natututo ako ng mga ng mga pasikot-sikot dito sa Taylorville, di ba? Sa susunod, magiging na ako dito. Anong tawag doon? Yung taga-ano ng mga turista. O yan, may tumutunog na, may DoorDash muna tayo. Ayun. Okay. Antay lang tayo ng offers ulit from DoorDash. So habang nag-aantay tayo, singit tayo ng shoutout. Etong shoutout na to, nakakaaliw no? Kasi 7-year-old yung gustong magpa-shoutout, which is si Lucas. Sabi niya, shoutout daw sa daddy niya, si Jiro Fernandez. Ito, naalala ko si Jiro Fernandez, nagpa-shoutout na rin po sa atin before. Kaya Sir Jiro, Lucas, kamusta kayo? Tapos pinapadagdag ni Lucas na shoutout din daw sa friends and classmates niya sa grade 3. Yan, Lucas, maraming salamat. And yan, pakabait ka kay daddy mo. Next, si Jimmy Estilioso of Cleveland, Ohio. Yan, kamusta Sir Jimmy? Sabi niya rin, magiging okay daw yan pag nakalipat na si Teens sa hospital. He is referring sa work ni Teens ngayon sa facility. Tapos baka matransfer siya sa hospital, magiging okay. So, ang masasabi ko naman po doon, marami rin po kasi nagsasabi na mas okay sa hospital, mas mataas yung bayad or sweldo sa hospital, 'di ba? Pero para po sa akin, at the end of the day, si Teens pa rin pong magde-decide niyan kasi siya po yung nagtatrabaho doon, no? I mean, kung saan siya masaya, syempre malaking factor yung sweldo. Yan. And also yun nga, kung saan siya masaya, no? Kung whether sa hospital or sa facility pa rin. Let's see. Pero Jimmy, maraming salamat po sa pag-support at pagnood po ng mga vlogs. Next, ito po, loading vlogger ko po ito. Si Sir Jedge and si Ma'am Andrea of Andrea Jedge TV. Yan, Pilipinas pa lang, pinanunood ko na sila kasi bago po kami pumunta dito sa US, isa po sila sa pinanunood ko para may idea po ako ano pong buhay dito sa US. Yan, kasama po yung mga ibang vlogger sa Canada. Pero yan, sila Sir Jedge and sina Ma'am Andrea. Yan, taga-subaybay din po ako at subscriber din po ako nila. Na-mention po kasi ako doon sa isang vlog nila, yung pumunta sila sa St. Louis. Kaya yun, isang karangalan po, nakakahiya at nagulat ako na na-mention po tayo sa isang vlog nila. Kaya Sir Jedge, Ma'am Andrea, yun, maraming salamat at ingat po kayo. Jason of Wilmar, Minnesota. Palagi daw po nag-aabang sa mga vlogs natin. Yan. Maraming salamat po Sir Jason. Patuloy lang po kayong mag-abang sa mga vlogs natin dahil marami pa po tayong ma-share sa journey natin dito sa US. Yan. Salamat po, Sir Jason.
Enjoy.
Sige. Okay. Good morning. Pixar, good morning. Ayun, nagatid lang tayo ng iced tea kay Teens. Yung iced tea na yon, inuwi ko kagabi kasi yung nagdo-DoorDash tayo. Minsan sa McDo o sa Mickey D sa McDo, binibigyan ako ng mga staff doon ng drinks habang nag-aantay kunin yung food. Yan. Minsan kasi pag napapatagal nilang i-prepare yung food, ino-offeran nila ako ng drinks. So, binibigyan nila ako ng cup. Tapos, di ba self-serve dito? So, ang kinukuha ko madalas iced tea. Kasi masarap yung iced tea nila rito, hindi sobrang tamis, tama lang. Tapos, lasa mo yung pagka-brewed iced tea niya talaga. Kaya masarap. Ito si Pixar hindi niya type eh. Mas gusto niya yung iced tea sa Pilipinas. Tapos yun, tumawag si Teens, nag-request siya ng iced tea. Sakto, nakapag-uwi tayo kagabi, kaya inabot natin. Ayun. Yun ang maganda sa DoorDash ngayon, ino-offeran ka ng drinks pag nag-aantay ka ng matagal. Tapos medyo nakakakwentuhan na rin natin yung staff kahit papano. May parang nabuo na tayong pagkakaibigan sa kanila. And anyway, ano pala, pupunta tayo ngayon sa school ni Pixar. I-check natin yung school niya. Actually, magtatanong tayo ng mga requirements na pwede natin ipasa, lalong-lalo na nandito na si Pixar sa US, no? Para makita rin nila si Pixar. Yan. Tsaka, para makita rin ni Pixar yung school niya. Sana payagan kami mag-tour. Tapos para makita ni Pixar yung school. Pero hindi ko lang sure kung pwedeng i-video. Look, oh. Kids are playing. I think that's elementary. This is the, I think middle school naman tong kabila. And this is your school. This one. Yeah. This is your school. Ayun yung mga school bus, oh. Nag-aantayan ng Pixar students para ihatid nila pa uwi. Doon lang sila parada. Dito tayo. Look, oh, mga kids, oh. Yan yung school mo. This one, your exact school. Pero mag-walk pa tayo, ha. Let's go. Daming bata, oh. Sa likod natin. Yan, excited. Are you excited to see your school for the first time? Ito yung magiging school ni Pixar, itong buong yan. Tingnan mo, nasa labas lahat yung mga estudyante, oh. Hindi ko alam kung PE nila or... Tapos, dito sa left, ito yung school bus. Mga elementary. Mga pumapasok. Ito, tatlong malalaki, oh. So, ito. Dito tayo, dito yung harap, eh. Excited ang bata. Yan, Taylorville Junior High School. Ito rin yung pinuntahan ko, yung nagtanong din tayo before yung mga kailangan natin hingin sa school ni Pixar sa Pilipinas. Yun. Tapos ito, natanong ko na, mga faculty lang to ang mga pwedeng mag-park. Pwede kang dumaan dyan pero mag-drop off lang ng estudyante. Pero sa pagpapark, mga faculties or staff lang ng school ang pwede. So dito, yan katulad niya, no? Kotse nag-antay, nagsundo ng bata. Dito yung drop off. Kaya Pixar, dito kita ihahatid, dito ka bababa. Because the school entrance is there. Ayun. Sige, move forward ka. Ayun, dun yung school entrance. Tapos yung building na yun, ano yata yun eh? Yung isang high school nila na mas matataas na levels. Senior high yata dun. So, ito yung entrance. We will not enter pa agad. Kakausapin natin sila rito. Hi, good morning. I would like to inquire about my son going to school on the next school year. He's with me today.
Okay, come on in.
All right. Oh, see? Okay. Let's go. Over here. Have an idea what your school looks like? Okay, off ko muna yung camera. Is it good, your school? First impression?
Good.
Good.
Hello, nice to meet you.
My office is right back here. My office is right here. I deal with things like attendance, pretty much a little bit of everything. Okay. So if you ever need anything, you can always come to me for help. Okay. And then the next two offices, we have a guidance counselor office, and we have our nurse. Our nurse is right here, Mrs.
Hi.
Phoenix. He's coming next year as a 5th grader.
Nice to meet you.
All right. So we'll go down the 5th grade area. Okay, they're all at lunch.
Just follow him, alright?
He's a board member anyway. This is Mr. Our athletic
Hi there.
director, baseball coach,
Hi.
AER supervisor. So if you ever need trouble, you have to deal with him. Okay?
Got that Otani shirt.
Yeah. He's
Ah.
a baseball guy.
That's the dude.
He loves to play baseball, yeah.
This is our superintendent.
Hi, nice to meet
Hi.
you. Nice to meet you. Moving here from the Philippines.
Yep.
Wonderful.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Mom and dad have been here, but Phoenix hasn't. So we're giving a
Okay.
little tour.
Great.
Alright.
Enjoy.
Hi.
Nice
So,
to see you.
Phoenix, this is our media center. This is kind of like a library, okay? So this is where we check out books. We also have Chromebooks, like little laptops. And so if you have any trouble with your laptops, that's where you go there, okay? Okay, questions about media center? No? Here's the social worker office. If you need any assistance with anything, she's there. Down there is PE and music. You want to go down that way? Okay. So you will do PE and music with your class, okay? So your whole 5th grade class, your teacher will walk you down here when it's your turn for those classes, okay? So you'll have PE a couple of times a week, you'll have music once a week, you'll have library skills once a week, but you'll do that all with your class this year as a 5th grade, okay? So your teacher will take you down there. You won't do any changing out of your clothes for PE this year, okay? But next year, or the following year, when you're in 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade, they all change out of their school clothes and wear some PE clothes during that.
That's what we do now.
Okay, perfect. So you won't do that this next. So this is our gym.
Oh, it's a gym.
We don't have any games in here, like basketball games or volleyball games or anything. We go across the street for that. So it's more like a classroom. This is where you'll just have your PE class and your exercising and stuff like that.
Good gym.
Do you play an instrument?
A little piano for
Little
him.
piano, okay. So if you think about you want to be in band, if you want to play something here at our school, then that's the band room, right through this wall. We have bands from 5th grade on up. What if you just want to do piano? That's speech is right here. I don't think you're probably going to do any speech. I hear you talking pretty good. And this is the music classroom. So when your 5th grade class comes down for music, that's where you'll be. But you won't have to worry about coming here alone. You're going to come with your friends. Down here in the locker rooms, you won't have to worry about that until 6th grade. Okay? Yeah, baseball starts in 6th grade. Track, you can do track in 6th grade. But most of our sports, you have to wait till 7th.
Oh, most of the sports in 7th grade.
Starts in 7th. But baseball, cross country, and track.
All right.
6th graders.
You know what he's excited about? Your cafeteria.
Well, we're going to go there now.
I already told him about the free stuffs.
Oh, yeah. all the food. So our cafeteria is here. Well, our maintenance guys use this entrance, so we're not going to go in there.
Yeah.
All our kids
We'll
come
go
in
to the main entrance.
through the main entrance, so I don't want to confuse you. So we'll go in there.
Just a teaser.
So here's our cafeteria. We're on a little break right now. The kids that just ate are playing outside. So those are 5th graders
Oh.
this year. So they'll be 6th grade next year.
What do
They're
you
outside
mean play outside? Do they have time to play outside?
Yeah, so they eat for about 15 minutes and then they go outside and run around for
Oh,
about 15
all right.
minutes.
You have time for playing.
So you'll do that. That's the only scheduled recess time that we have for 5th graders. The 5th grade teachers
Look at their cafeteria.
Whenever they feel like they need their kids
Laki,
to go
no?
outside or get a break, they can.
Tapos libre daw ang
Cafeteria.
libre.
You see those black signs up there? Goes to the ceiling, says main course tortilla. So that's where the lines form. So the main course today, it looks like they're having
That's the food for
French
today.
toast sticks. Okay.
Ito yung free for today. Ito yung isi-serve ngayon sa students. French toast, nachos. Look, there's nachos.
So if you saw that you wanted French toast
Oh,
sticks,
nachos and cream cheese. Perfect.
if you saw you wanted French toast sticks, you'd go in this line.
Okay.
If you thought that, oh, I don't want French toast sticks, I think I'll get nachos, then you go in this line right here.
Oh, there's also cheeseburgers.
But if you felt like you wanted one of these other things, then you go along those windows.
Oh.
You can see they've got some of the food out. So the kids just go along there, and they line up here, and they just grab what they want. So today there's, you could have a chicken patty or mini corn dogs. We've got some grilled cheese, chicken sandwiches.
Sarap
They got
po.
tater tots. They'll have 3 different kinds of pizza out here today. We got these sandwiches. And you get milk and juice in there.
Oh,
Okay?
there's milk and juice. Rice.
So you can take one of these things, right? You can't take like everything you want. You can get like one of the big things.
Just one round.
And then tater tots is actually separate. And then you'll come this way. And then they've got all your other things. So you got to get a fruit and a veggie. And
Oh, healthy, right?
yep. And then there's some little things you can purchase here at the end. As long as mom and dad have money on your account, then they're okay with you buying that stuff, then you can buy that too. You'll get a number, you type it in. So then they go through the line, then they find their buddies, and they sit down and eat for a few minutes, and then they go outside and run around for a few minutes. Sound good? Do you do that at your school now?
Sometimes,
Sometimes?
inside the sometimes it's outside.
Yeah, depending on the weather, we have to stay inside sometimes. So you'll eat with all the 5th graders, okay? We have about 600 students here, so you have about 150 kids just your age, okay? There's Mrs. Laker, she's a 5th grade teacher.
I feel like this is our second tour.
So mom and dad came?
Do you want to see my room?
It's up to you. You want to see?
Okay, let's do it. All right. Fabulous.
So he was still in the Philippines finishing up. So now he's done for the year, so he's done. So this is the 5th grade area right here. Only 5th graders are allowed in this part of the building. No 6th, 7th, and 8th graders ever come down here without, unless they have special permission, okay? So this is Lakers classrooms right here. You can go ahead.
Oh, look at the classroom.
Much bigger than mine.
So this is
This
pretty
is a
much what
big-
our 5th grades look like. This room is a
Wow.
little bigger than the others, just because where it is in the building. But this is what it kind of looks like. Everybody has similar desks and similar stuff on the walls and are teaching the same kinds of things every day.
Yep, same books. Do you want to come back here and look? We're about ready to let off our volcano. So each of the kids have had
Oh, they have
some
game
part
stuffs
in
here.
constructing of the volcano. And then this is the classroom library. Do you like to read? No? Well, I have
No.
a section just for you then. Have you ever heard of Amulet? Do you know what a graphic novel? Go ahead, open it up. So So it's like comic strip, kind of.
Oh, it's like comics.
Yes. Do you read comics or see them? I don't even know if they're in the newspaper anymore. But anyway, it's kind of a fun read. Kind of fun. We are kind of winding down. Usually,
Mamaya,
I
para
like to
matuto kang
showcase.
mag-read ulit ng books.
How about rockets? You like? Did you watch Artemis 2 launch? Yeah. So we're all making rockets, and then an engine's going to go in there, in the bottom. We're going to light them off outside on the blacktop, and they can go up to 400 feet in the air. It's going to be fun, right? Science. So, all right. Well, I'm glad to meet you, and I'm Ms. Laker. Okay.
Thank you.
First name's Kelly. And what is your name?
Phoenix Kate.
How do you call your teachers here? Because back home, how do you call your teachers?
By their first name.
By their first name. Also here, by first name?
So that she is Mrs.
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna call her Mrs.
Yes. Yes. And then Miss.
You
We
get.
keep it formal.
All right.
Yes. But I always tell my students my name. My name is Kelly. Yes. Nice
So
to meet you,
don't
Kelly.
call her Kelly, right?
Yeah.
Call
I'll
her
probably
Mrs.
laugh at you. Sorry. But you like flowers? No. Do you know what kind of flower that one is? It is. Yeah. I like flowers. I had a student. Last week was teacher appreciation week. So
Oh.
she brought us. Yeah. So
Very
what-
sweet. Yeah.
Yes, very sweet.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Phoenix, you keep your tour going here.
Yeah,
Did you
looks
get to
like it's
PE and did you get to see where we have PE and music and band, art? I gotta go monitor
go
the
follow
hallway to make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do.
All right, thank you.
See you in the fall, kiddo.
All right.
So everybody's coming back from PE or from lunch right now. So we'll walk this way. Oh yeah.
Whoa. Bilis ah. Yeah. Yeah, very good.
You want to see where the other 5th grade classes are? So this is just one. We have 6 of them. So that's the 5th grade class there.
Okay. These are some special education classrooms, right? These aren't 5th grade. Storage room over here. Do you use a locker at your old school? No. When you get a locker at this school, your teacher will handle that. She'll let you practice until she actually use it. So it's nothing to get worried about or worked up about.
5th grade students will be in 6th grade next year.
Oh, okay.
So we don't have any 4th graders here. 4th graders are at a different school. So this is all their first year. And they'll be coming in just like you. It's their first year on
Oh, all right.
So they'll know each other, a lot of them, because they go to school together now. But they're going to be at their first year at this school just like you. So our 5th grades go all the way up to here, okay? So all those kids you just passed, all those classrooms are all 5th grade. So you'll be in one of those that we just passed. Okay? Does that sound good? And so... Yes, sir.
So this is 5th grade also, but this is special ed, so kids who need extra help go to this classroom.
Okay.
And then you'll notice
Nothing's happening past this point, right?
all the 5th graders stay there. All the older kids are this way, okay? So you won't have to really encounter any of those older kids throughout your school day.
These guys are using this. These guys are 5th graders are using this faucet just because they came back from recess. But other than that, they're not kind of passing this area right here, okay?
So you'll be in that
So
area.
until here only.
Do you have any questions so far? It's a lot to take in. Yeah. We've got her class out here. So we're celebrating the 250th birthday of the United States of America.
Oh, really?
So some of our kids are dressed up like presidents, and we're doing
Okay.
some extra activities for that. Yeah. It's not actually till July, but we won't be in school in July.
Ah, hi. This one? Oh, how was it? Ha? Excited ka na? Nonchalant talaga to. So, ayun, di ba? Na-tour ko na rin kayo. Tapos, may binigay sa akin ito, mga papel. Ano to? Mga application forms na kailangan i-submit. So, kailangan kong mag-submit ito tsaka lahat ng dala kong school records. School records, vaccination records, medical records. Yan, kailangan i-submit natin, which is dala natin. Ang hindi lang natin nadala is yung report card niya. Kasi yung time na nasa Pilipinas tayo, hindi pa submission ng report card. So, gumawa tayo ng authorization letter sa kapatid ko. So, ipapasuyo na lang natin. And then, ipapamail na lang natin dito sa US para masubmit natin. Ang kailangan nila is the physical report card, hindi online. Yan. So, yun lang yung hinihingi. Ulitin ko, i-fill upan tong form na to. Vaccination, medical records, tapos any school records na pwede kong ma-provide dito sa school, which is yung report card nga na ipapasuyo natin kay Utol. So, ayun. Happy boy! Kamusta? Anong masasabi mo sa school mo? Good lang? Pero excited ka na for August. At least may idea ka na.
Did you ask when it starts?
August. No, not really the exact date. They will announce it. Siguro pag nakapag-submit na tayo ng ano. Pero sabi naman nila mid-August eh. Yan. So wala na yung mga estudyante, tapos na yung playtime nila.
When my dance on, I must just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do.
Okay, back home. Pahinga muna. Tapos, yun, nakapag-lunch na nga kami. At eto si Pixar gumagawa ng kanyang schedule. Sinabi na kasi kanina sa school, magiging school niya, yung oras ng pagpasok and pag-uwi. So ngayon, gumagawa siya ng schedule niya pag school time na, pagkagising niya hanggang pagpunta ng school. So ito preview. Yan, gigising daw siya ng 5 a.m. Magbe-breakfast siya, shower, magbabrush ng teeth, rest. Oh, yan, hindi pa siya decided yan. Inaano niya pa. Ano lang to, pinag-aaralan niya pa yung kanyang schedule. Ano to si Pixar eh, very organized tong ano na to eh. Good job to eh. So, yan yung nag-ano kami, brainstorming sa kanyang schedule. Ayan. 6:00 ng gabi. Waiting lang tayo sa message ni Teens para sunduin namin. Pagkasundo natin, isa lang ibig sabihin yan. Turn ko naman, magdo-DoorDash tayo. At Spark driver na rin tayo. Natanggap na tayo bilang Spark driver. May natanggap tayong email. Nag-submit na tayo ng form sa Walmart. Na-approve na. Lahat online lang. Actually, kaninang tanghali, sumubok na kami ni Pixar. Pero, ang dami kong pagkakamali kasi first time. Yan, kaming dalawa ni Pixar. So, ang ginagawa doon is, mag-grocery ka sa Walmart mismo. Tapos, may dedicated counter para sa Spark driver dyan sa Walmart. Yan. Doon kami nagpunta, in-scan namin yung products. Tapos, ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Dineliver namin sa client. Basta marami akong error. Pero natutuwa ako, may bago na tayong options pa na pagkakakitaan bukod sa DoorDash. So, next week, itatry natin gumawa ng vlog para dyan. Kasi itong darating na weekend, magiging busy tayo. dahil may plano kaming mag out of state ulit ni na Teens and Pixar dahil si Teens mahaba-haba na naman ng kanyang day off. Yan. Kaya yun, looking forward sa mga vlogs na ganun. Abangan nyo rin po yan. At bago natin tapusin ang ating vlog for today, second time magpapa-shoutout tayo, no? Ito, si Miss Delia Solas, nagpapabati siya sa kanyang birthday on May 30th pa, pero advance happy birthday po. And also, advance happy birthday sa iyong daughter, your one and only daughter na si Jacqueline Solas. Yan, sa June 6 naman yun. Happy birthday po sa inyo, Ma'am Delia and Jacqueline. Si James 0417 of Katy, Texas, pinapa-shoutout niya ang kanyang asawa na si Eds. Yan, lagi pong nanunood ng ating uploads. At inaabangan niya ang ating mga travels po. Yun, kakabanggit ko lang. May plano na kaming mag-travel ulit. Yun, abangan niyo po yun, Sir James. Si Roshan Namante, 9248. Sabi niya, nice vlogs daw. Salamat po. Abangan nyo lang po yung mga upcoming vlogs and salamat po sa suporta. Si Roshan Namante 9248 is from Lake in the Hills, Illinois. Yan. April Love Vlogs. Yan. Pa-shoutout daw sa kanyang family. Yan. At puro mga kind words po yung mga binigay niya po sa atin sa comment. Kaya maraming salamat po, April Love Vlogs. At last, si 05 Bon of Abu Dhabi, UAE. Yan. Pinapa-shoutout niya rin si Poy B, Boninay, and Eileen. Yan. Eileen or Aileen. So, shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Abu Dhabi, UAE. And maraming salamat po sa palaging pagtangkilik at panunood ng aming vlog. So, ayun. Dito ko na muna tatapusin yung vlog na to. Sana na-enjoy nyo po. At abangan nyo po yung susunod na mga travel vlogs namin. And also, yan, nadagdagan na naman yung pagkakakitaan natin. Spark driver na rin tayo of Walmart.